Good morning children. In the previous class we have already started the writing section of English and we have started the writing section with the paragraph writing. I hope you have understood and you have written the paragraph also. In this class we are going to learn how to write an application to our principal. So children, let's start learning application writing in English. In today's class, we will learn about application writing, writing application to our principal, the definition of the application, format, and we will get some writing ideas. Now, what is an application? An application is a formal letter which can be used for applying leave or any request. It is a form of written communication. Let's see the format of an application. The format of an application includes sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, sir or madam, subject, content and closing. Let's see the sender's address. As because we are writing the application to our principal, we will mention the place only, that is Dhanbad. Now come to the date. It means the date on which the department receives a signed application from an applicant. Please remember it should be on your left hand side and after sender's address, means after your place you will write the date and you have to write the current date on which you are submitting the application. Receiver's address. It will be on the left side of the page for you. Your receiver's address will be your principal and name of the school. Always make sure that you write the official designation or name etc. of the receiver as the first line of the address. Please remember that use of punctuation marks has been done away with while writing the address and salutation. Now come to number 4, salutation. A standard formula of words used in a letter to address the person being written to. It is a greeting at the beginning of the application. It is the first thing the recipient or the receiver will see when they read our application. So it is the first thing the recipient is going to see. The first thing is the salutation. Now number 5, subject. It should be written after salutation and should be short and effective. We should not put a lot in the subject line. The body part exists for the purpose. Body part means the content. Now come to the content, the body part. It is the main body of the application. It includes status, that is position or issue, and analysis and reasons. Now come to the closing part. It is the most important part of your application. Don't forget to thank the reader for reviewing your application. So write, thanking you, yours sincerely or truly, your name, your class with section and your roll number. So children, in format of an application, we will write sender's address. In place of sender's address, you will be writing your place, that is Dhanbad. You will give the date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, content, that is the body part, thanking you, yours truly, your name, roll number, class with section, which is the closing of your application. Now, how to write an application? Application writing has following 4 stages. Number 1, pre-writing. Number 2, writing. Number 3, editing. And number 4, submitting. Pre-writing. Let's see the pre-writing part. This is the stage of thinking carefully and organizing ideas for our application before we begin to write. Come to the writing part. The writing stage is when we turn our ideas into the sentences. Here are 5 steps of writing the application. Open your copy or notebook or the sheet of paper which you will use for the application. Write your place, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, content and the closing. Write clear and simple sentences. Be polite and formal. Focus on main reason or request. Be brief and use dictionary to find some words to explain your idea. The third part is editing. The editing stage is when we check our application for mistakes and correct them. So check your spellings, check your grammar, read your application again. Remember that use of punctuation marks has been done away while writing address and salutation. Make sure that every section of the application begins on the left-hand side. Don't forget to provide adequate space between sections and paragraphs. Keep the application to the point. Now come to style and organization. Make sure that your format is correct. Make sure that your sentences are short and effective. Make sure that you have framed the application according to the requirement. Now come to the submitting the submission part, submitting the application. There are 3 steps of submission. Make a paper copy of your application. Show your work to your teacher or parents. Ask them for hints and suggestions to improve your writing. They will definitely help you. Before submitting, do these 3 actions and then finally submit your application. So children, remember, an application is a form of written communication. While writing the application, we must be polite and formal. Format of the letter is important and should be correct. After writing the application, it should be rechecked to correct all errors. When you will write your application like this, your application will look like this. See, this is a sample application for leave. Have a look. Your application includes sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, content, main body, and the last part, closing. So finally, your application will look like this. This is an application for leave. If you were unable to attend your class for 3 days, you may write the application like this. So children, I hope you enjoyed the class and you have understood how to write an application. So, have a good day. Thank you.